Did you know the main difference between saving and investing? Because check this out. If you're only saving your money, you're probably losing it. Because the harsh truth is, saving without investing is like filling a leaking bucket. What that means is that every money that comes in, if you're not smart enough, because even if you were, by inflation, your money will drain away every single year. Because today, we are breaking down the real difference between investing and saving. And that's why it's very, very important for you to understand. Because if you don't, this can make or break your financial future. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to know exactly how to make your money work smart for you. And my name is Nick. My team and I have been able to help hundreds of people to improve on their budgeting, their saving, and most importantly, leverage the compound interest strategies to be able to invest for their future. And if you're new onto this channel, you are most welcome, but make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that every time we upload a brand new video, you'll be the very first one to be notified. And having said all that, let's dive straight into the video. So let's start with savings, right? Because saving is very, very simple. It's reliable, but most importantly, it's very, very familiar. It's like tucking money under your mattress, right? But even better, you're putting all your cash in a bank account where it is very safe. It earns you some small little interest, but most importantly, it's within your reach. And why is that important? That means that in case of any emergency, right, such as a car repair, your medical bill, or even if you lose a job, you should have some short-term money that is available for your expenses. And this will give you, of course, number one, a peace of mind. And that's very, very powerful. But the downside of this is that most savings accounts barely keep up with inflation. You may earn 1 or 2%, while inflation eats it away at 3 or even 5%, right? So I think you can see the main difference. Your money is growing at 1 or 2%, but inflation is eating it away at a 3 or even 5%. So before you know it, your money is losing value every single year. So while saving keeps your money safe, it also means that your dollars are slowly losing its purchasing power. And that's why it's very, very important for you to know the main difference of saving vis-a-vis investing. So now let's talk about investing, because investing is where the real growth happens. It's like planting your seeds, water them, and watch them grow. With this, you're able to put your money into things like stocks, ETFs, and even real estate, and you let it work. Of course, it has some risks, but of course, with the markets, they always go up and down. But over time, overall investing will outpace inflation and it will build you real wealth. So the million-dollar question is, what should you do out of these two? Should you save or you should go ahead and invest? And the bottom line is you need both. You have to start with savings, right? Cultivate that consistent saving habit whereby, you build things like your emergency funds. And when you have your emergency fund for 3 up to 6 months, then you should be able to pretty much keep up with saving, but with the main goal and the main purpose of investing that money. And when you do this, you should be able to achieve your financial goals way much faster. But of course, most people think to invest you need a whole lot of money, but that's not true. You can start as small as $50 per month or even less, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. So here is the bottom line, right? So saving will protect you today, but investing, making sure that you plant that seed, you water it and let it grow, which is our investing. This will 100% make sure that it will secure and build your tomorrow. And the smartest move is pretty much go ahead and balance both. Why? Because you can start with the investing, have that cushion of your emergency funds, and any other extra penny that you have, go ahead and plant it and let it grow by compounding interest to be able to build your future. Of course, you should be able to go ahead and start small, but most importantly, which is the key, is to stay consistent, and your future will pretty much go ahead and thank you for doing that. If you found value in this video, make sure to go ahead and smash that like button so that this video can be pushed out to more people. But most importantly, do not forget to subscribe so that every time we upload a brand new video, you will be the very first one to be notified. And having said all that, go ahead and let us know in the comment section below, right? Are you currently saving, investing, or doing both? And having said all that, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.